What's going on, guys? We're back. We're gonna feed the ginger bug today. We're gonna add another tablespoon of sugar and another tablespoon of ginger, and we're gonna cut them up. So we're just gonna add this tablespoon of sugar, and we're gonna put the ginger. Tablespoon of ginger in. You want to keep your ginger, after you cut it, you want to put it in a Ziploc bag and then put it in the fridge so it stays good longer. Alright, so now we just add a tablespoon of the ginger. Now stir it up to dissolve the sugar and then mix up the new ginger you just put in here. We're going to put the lid back on and we're going to put it in a cool, dry place, somewhere in like your closet or whatever. And then you're going to burp it once or twice a day. Tomorrow we should be ready to start making some probiotic sodas.